Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Jaipur, India. So we are getting around Jaipur with the help of our tuk-tuk driver who we met last night at the train station when we arrived in Jaipur from New Delhi. In India, always negotiate. We negotiated on a price for the whole day and he was awesome. So when you're in a tuk-tuk, just hold on tight and be cautious. But also, most importantly, have fun. Hi guys, after New Delhi, I decided to check out Jaipur with my friend Ken. And currently I'm at the Amer fort located in Amer, which is about 11 kilometers from Jaipur. And I think this place is really cool. It's a huge fort. You can easily get lost in it. We actually met a friend who's doing some work in Thailand, and she decided to come to Jaipur for a week vacation. There is an entry fee to the Amer fort, and for a foreign tourist, it will cost you about 550 Indian rupees, which is equivalent to about $8 US. And so you should definitely come check it out.
Beautiful view. Ken, where are we? Amber Palace. This is our new friend, Alex.
Hi!
What are you freaked out about?
The crocodiles. Actually, monkeys scare me a lot more than
Crocky.
anything. Crocky.
Let's go get us an alligator.
So this security guard took us up these stairs to a scenic viewpoint in Amer Fort and helped us take a few photos, but then in return he asked for a tip. So when you're in a tourist spot, just be careful.
I'm customer. The driver.
This is Nana the elephant.
Take selfie with elephant.
Hi Nana, you're beautiful.
Those people, you know, they are like have a, like words, like a language.
Yeah.
So how they control it?
They're very smart animals.
Yeah, very smart or very good memory and sense smell power. Like
This is the water temple, water mahal. This is the train station? Thank you. It's okay, they do that a lot to me too.
Alright, let me just explain what just happened. So an Indian local was asking a foreigner if he could get a picture with her. That is very common because the local Indians love seeing foreigners, and to them, we are like celebrities. Several times during my time in India, I have been approached by local Indians for a photo. So currently I am at Jantar Mantar observatory. There are 19 architectural astronomical instruments built by Rajput King Sawai Jai Singh, including the world's largest stone sundial. This observatory is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and there is also an entry fee for foreigners, which is 100 Indian rupees. Honestly, this is one of my favorite tourist sites to visit in Jaipur.
What is this? What happened? This is yeah, that's where we're going. Oh!
So after the Hawa Mahar, our driver decided to take us to our last stop of the day in Jaipur. We are at the Sun Temple, and the Sun Temple is on top of this hill. And so we are walking up this hill to get to the Sun Temple. And along the way, you may encounter monkeys. And these monkeys can be vicious, so be careful if you decide to feed them or try to play with them. They can and may attack you, so just be cautious. And once you're at the top of the hill, you get a really good view of Jaipur, so enjoy. Alright guys, we got some dal fry, some paneer, tofu paneer, some papad, roasted papad, rice, roti, chapati. Okay, so this is chapati, and these are our chefs. And what do you think, Ken?
I've never had so much tofu in my life.
Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.